Kaseng tray lang gikin thay madan bat right laban ringkat katanat social welfare bat katanat police kila penlong ya ka jing lang ai jing hikai pai ba halor ka jing ma jing snew bat jing penjat jong ki jing di pen buat ka kiat bat udrak ha ka jing im jong ki breu kham tam e ya ki samla ha ka ni ka jung ka jing tmu ba kong san jong ni ka jing hikai pai ba ka long ban yarap ya ki samla ban kiar lai luom lai wa na ki ni ki jing di pen buat Uba Jeffrey W. Suting Deputy Superintendent of Police haka jingkren ula batay sanibha kumno baki samla lut haka ni ka juk kingat bat ngop hakini ki jingdi basniu tang nakadaw jong ki parlok ki bakintu bat kro eki ban mat tang sisien ni tang tiak ulo ong ru ba ka bor jong ki parlok ban pengat kalong ka baklan hatu kata-kata namalada kirnga ki ben ki kho lai phojan bat ban lat na kata ka jing shakren ben kim ban si ban mat ya kata ka jing sniu ula kin turu ya ki samla banda jet bha ya ki parlok bat kum juru ya ki kimi ki pa ban yarap lem ya lagi khun habaki yo i neshem ya kanu ka jing kala hakrukom im jongki ula ya thu ru lada ki samla ki ret ki jing perkhat bat kim sngo shngan ya ka jing long jing man bat lada ki artatin yaladi kum kani ka jing long ka pen kloi ya ubriu ban tur khongpong shaki kiat jong ka shrup bat ki drak Uba Jeffrey ula kerpat yaki kimi kikpa ki samla bat yaki pat ba ban ai kakti kaman kakti kadyang yaki pulit habaki kemdrak hashnong hataw ni hakidong bat ban long ru ki sakhi khnang ban rat dengkhong ya udrak bat ya ka jingbu ai tanglang khlem akor
I would like to talk something about drugs, how we prevent drugs, how we investigate drugs. For any social problems that we have in our society, whose responsibility is it to solve? Is it the police? Is it the teachers? Is it the residents? I believe it is everybody. It is everybody. It's everybody's responsibility to solve the problem. Because when the police does investigation with regard to drugs under the provisions of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, we require witnesses. We require independent witnesses who will stand in court and say yes, on that day and at so and so time, at so and so place, a certain amount of drugs or psychotropic substances or narcotic was recovered from this person. But what happened? Everybody sheds away the responsibility. Everybody likes to shed away. Whenever they see a policeman conducting an investigation, preparing his Caesar list, everybody runs away. Nobody comes forward to stand as a witness. So it is the community, it is the society's responsibility to be there together with the police when investigation is being carried out. I know. Secondly, the reason why people do drugs or why they get attracted to alcohol is for reasons that there might be some friends among your group who are into using drugs or using alcohol, or maybe your group, as a group, you start developing a curiosity that, okay, let's try and see how it is. But then again, you should be careful. You should select the friends that you have. You should select the group circle that you have. And at the start of this program, Madam Karin had asked you who was the hero. It's important to have purpose in your life, to have aim in your life. If you don't come with purpose, if you don't come with ka aim, ka aim of finlong lashay, manu finlong lashay sisngi. Ni pulie kot kubor. You might be reading on the internet the personality of any successful human being. What is the meaning of that? Why do we read that? Why do people pen down history of renowned people, successful people? Why? They do that because to inspire other people to do the right thing. Kenang bagi kena, ne mono bala lan lagi uri barang ba, lan beri watemen, lan lagi kena tambah ni pule gitu kenang ba, ginyo, kijing tumu jungi, kilang babha, bagi habit jungi, kilang babha.
Each and every step, and work together with all the professionals, that we have to take care, have to see that such kind of drink, such kinds of drug that we used to take, people used to, we don't allow anyone, but so far as the professional is concerned, we have to check, we have to see that there is no incident that kind of drink that you have to take. So from our behalf of the professional, we have to work together and see that there is no jadi pasti dibagi lam idon apakah akaba kini kita jadi iwan especially lagi jaga di bakal jenai iwan dia perlu kerja hari drop dengan kerja jaga iwan keban kita drop is affect the whole body and mind, affect your studies, affects everything, affect the life of the people. Therefore this particular forum is very important that we have to create awareness. We have here the resource person. They will give details.